Have you ever wondered how some travelers seem to breeze through airports while you waste hours waiting in lines? Airports can be stressful, crowded, and time-consuming, especially for first-time or infrequent flyers. Long security checks, delayed flights, and confusing terminals make travel exhausting for many people. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and insider secrets that make trips effortless. 10. Check in online before arriving at the airport. Checking in online is the first step to saving time at any airport before departure. Most airlines allow passengers to check in up to 24 hours before a flight. You can select seats, print boarding passes, or download mobile passes directly to your phone. Online check-in reduces long queues at counters and gives you more control over seating options. Some airlines even allow luggage drop-off for checked bags, bypassing full check-in lines. Early check-in gives time to review flight details, baggage allowances, and boarding procedures. It also allows travelers to adjust travel plans before arriving at the airport. 9. Pack smart and use carry-on only when possible. Packing efficiently reduces the need to wait for checked luggage at the carousel. A carry-on with only essentials keeps belongings close and speeds up airport exit. Organize liquids, electronics, and travel documents in clear, accessible compartments for faster security screening. Use packing cubes or compression bags to maximize space and reduce mess. Rolling clothes instead of folding saves space and makes unpacking quicker at your destination. Lightweight luggage reduces strain and allows you to move through security faster. Check airline regulations for size and weight limits to avoid delays at check-in. 8. Join trusted traveler programs and fast-track security. Programs like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Clear provide faster security and customs clearance. They often offer dedicated lanes, shorter lines, and reduced document checks for approved members. Enrollment requires background checks and fingerprinting but saves significant waiting time for frequent flyers. Fast-track lanes allow travelers to keep shoes, laptops, and liquids in bags while passing through security. Global Entry accelerates immigration when returning from international trips. Many airports offer similar local programs that provide quick screening and boarding. Even one enrollment can reduce stress and waiting times at multiple airports around the world. 7. Arrive early but plan lounge time or quiet spaces. Arriving early prevents missed flights and allows time for security procedures, especially during peak hours. However, waiting does not need to be stressful if you plan where to relax. Many airports have lounges, quiet zones, or business centers that are underused by casual travelers. Priority passes, credit card benefits, or paid access can give temporary entry to premium lounges. Even simple seating areas away from main corridors offer calmer environments to read, work, or eat. Charging stations, free Wi-Fi, and comfortable chairs make long waits productive or relaxing. Arriving early and knowing where to go transforms idle waiting into a positive experience. 6. Use mobile apps for real-time updates and navigation. Airline and airport apps provide live flight updates, gate changes, and terminal maps instantly. Notifications alert travelers about delays, boarding times, and baggage claim information without constant checking. Apps can show security wait times, shuttle schedules, and nearby restaurants or stores. Navigation features prevent getting lost in large, confusing airport terminals. Some apps offer mobile boarding passes, saving paper and time at checkpoints. Digital maps help locate restrooms, lounges, charging stations, and food courts quickly. Real-time information reduces anxiety and allows better planning for meals or shopping. Using apps also helps avoid unnecessary rushing and ensures on-time arrival at gates. 5. Choose seats strategically for faster exit. Selecting the right seat can save time when deboarding or reaching connecting flights. Seats near the front of the plane allow quicker exit onto buses, shuttles, or terminals. Window seats are often slower to exit but provide more personal space during the flight. Exit rows or bulkhead seats give extra legroom and easier access during deplaning. For connecting flights, consider proximity to customs, security, or transfer gates. Airlines often let passengers choose seats during online check-in or for a small fee. Strategic seating reduces stress, prevents congestion, and helps maintain travel schedules. A thoughtful seat choice complements other airport hacks for smoother transitions. 4. Pack essentials for security screening convenience. Keeping electronics, liquids, and travel documents organized reduces delays at security checkpoints. Use clear pouches for liquids to avoid removing each item individually. Place laptops and tablets in easily accessible compartments to speed up scanning. Have passport, boarding pass, and identification ready before reaching the officer. Shoes, belts, and light jackets can be worn for convenience or removed quickly. Avoid overpacking small bags that require unpacking for inspection. Understanding TSA or local security regulations prevents unnecessary delays and frustration. Organized security preparation streamlines the process, saving valuable time. 3. Consider alternative airports or flexible flight options. Flying into smaller airports or less busy terminals can save hours of waiting. Alternate airports often have shorter security lines, fewer crowds, and quicker boarding processes. Flexible flight times allow travelers to avoid peak hours and take advantage of cheaper fares. Early morning or late evening flights generally have less congestion than midday departures. Using nearby secondary airports reduces ground traffic delays and check-in stress. Flexible options also give opportunities to adjust plans if flights are canceled or delayed. Some airlines offer budget fares to alternative airports with significant time savings. 2. Bring snacks and water to avoid lines and costs. Airports often charge high prices for food and beverages inside terminals. Carrying snacks and a refillable water bottle prevents waiting in long food lines. Healthy snacks maintain energy levels during long layovers or delays. Pack non-perishable items that comply with airline regulations for carry-on luggage. Water bottles can be refilled at fountains or approved kiosks to save money. Eating prepared food reduces stress and provides flexibility in case of flight changes. Traveling with snacks allows for healthier, faster, and more economical airport experiences. Avoiding concessions lines saves time, money, and reduces the need to rush. 1. Stay calm and patient to reduce stress and mistakes. The simplest hack for saving time in airports is remaining calm and patient. Rushing, panicking, or multitasking often leads to mistakes, forgotten items, or missed flights. A composed mindset allows travelers to navigate lines and procedures more efficiently. Patience helps when dealing with security, customs, check-in, and boarding delays. Being alert and prepared reduces stress while keeping actions organized and intentional. Slow, deliberate movements often result in faster processing than frantic behavior. Remaining polite and cooperative with staff can also improve service and reduce complications. Calm travelers notice shortcuts and opportunities others miss in the terminal. Stress management complements all other airport hacks for maximum efficiency. Mastering calm and patience ensures a smoother, faster, and less stressful airport experience. Airports do not have to be frustrating or overwhelming when you know these hacks. From check-in to security, seating, and personal preparation, small adjustments save hours of waiting. Use these tips to make your travel experience more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Like, share, and subscribe to discover insider tips that transform your airport experience completely.